Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, Creating and Formatting Charts. My name is Jaleesa Doney and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss creating charts that can help you visually share your data. Excel provides a variety of chart and graph options that you can use. All of these are available under the Insert tab within the Charts section. Excel also provides a recommended charts feature, which looks at the data you have selected and gives you a customized set of charts that Excel thinks will most effectively visualize your data. To create a chart, highlight the data that you want to include, navigate to the Insert tab and the Charts section, and select either recommended charts or the icon for the type of chart you'd like to create, such as a column chart. Then select the specific type of chart within that category, such as a 2D clustered column. After your chart is created, Excel provides the option to edit the data points that are visible. Sometimes your chart may include data that you don't want to see. Such as in this example, our chart mistakenly includes the grand total data because it was included when we originally highlighted all of the data. To remove this data from our chart, click the chart, then click the funnel icon, which is called Chart Filters. Then navigate to the Category section and scroll to and uncheck the box for the data you don't want to include, then click Apply. Once we click Apply, our chart is updated. Another important part of creating charts is to accurately describe the data with a title or other text elements. To edit the default chart title, click the chart, then click the default title text box, and then type a title that more accurately describes your data, such as number of Open Access Publishing Fund recipients by college. Depending on the data you're working with, you might want to add other elements or remove specific elements from your chart. When your chart is selected, these elements are available within the Design tab in the Chart Layout section. Simply click the Add Chart Element icon to see your options, which include adding or removing axis titles, adding or removing data labels, and adding or removing a legend. When your chart is selected, the Format tab allows you to change the color of the columns, the text, or the lines within your chart. To change the color of the columns, simply select your chart, then select the columns within your chart. Navigate to the Format tab and the Shape Style section, and click the arrow next to the shape fill icon and select the color that you would like to use. To change the color of your text, select your chart, navigate to the Format tab and the Word Art Style section, and click the arrow next to Text Fill and choose the color that you would like to use. You can also change the font style or the font size of your chart by selecting your chart, clicking on the text you want to change, navigating to the Home tab and the Font section, and choosing the font style or the font size. You can then drag to increase the size of your chart if necessary. You can also change the chart style you selected without starting over. To do this, click on your chart, navigate to the Design tab and the Type section, and click the Change Chart Type icon. You can then choose from all of Excel's chart or graph types. So we could change this column chart to a bar chart. Then click OK. Once your chart is complete, you could copy and paste it into a document, a slideshow, or another avenue for sharing information. Thank you for watching Creating and Formatting Charts. be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.